has always been a land of diversity and vibrancy of color. Now, different cuisines are proof of our vibrancy. There is nothing better to express the joyful moments in our lives than by making biryani. Hello and welcome to another episode of Travel Chef. And today we are going to do something different, where we are going to do a review of Behrouz Biryani. As I looked through the website, there was many options available, both in vegetarian and in non-vegetarian. So I wanted to try out the vegetarian biryani this time and then give my review on it. The biryani recipes have been the talk of the town across many cities, and this time let's taste the tasty vegetarian delight and see how good it tastes. Today we are going to order Subz-E-Biryani, a regular portion which is of medium spice for lunch. And at the cost of rupees 341, we are trying to order a lunch using the mobile application of Behrouz. So without much further talk, let's place our first order using the Behrouz Biryani. The first step was to download the application from Google Play Store. Once we have downloaded the application, this opens up into the main screen. We have noticed that the application takes some time to get into the home screen and it's a bit slow. Once we are into the home page of the application, there is a lot of biryanis that we can choose from, both vegetarian and non-vegetarian. After we have scrolled through the list of biryani, we have ordered Subz-E-Biryani and we have added to our cart. Now we have proceeded for the checkout. As we check our application, we see that the biryani will reach us in only 3 more minutes. It took exactly 30 minutes from the time of placing the order till the time the biryani reaches us. On receiving the biryani, we find that it is still warm. And once we open the package, firstly we see the biryani box, then we see a gulab jamun, as well as we see another small packet which contains the napkin and the spoon. Overall, the packing is pretty good. Cardboard box that I have used in packing the biryani is excellent and it's really unbeatable. On opening the box of biryani, we find 1 tin of salad, 1 gulab jamun, which was an extra one which I have provided, along with the main biryani contents, another pack of tissue papers, as well as with a spoon and a mouth freshener. As we open the box of biryani, already we start receiving the beautiful smell of biryani. And the box is pretty well packed. And once we open the main box, the smell of biryani hits us right on our face. The tempting smell once we open the box, as well as the look of the biryani, really makes anyone feel that they should really start eating it right away. I've dipped my spoon inside and stirred it a bit so that I can get the masalas too along with the biryani, and then test try and taste it how good this biryani can get. This is the first time I'm ordering a vegetarian biryani, and I'm really happy to give a review and say how good a vegetable biryani can get. Then next we open the packet that was provided along with the biryani, inside which they are provided as a napkin along with a wooden spoon. On checking the spoon that is provided, we see it is of good quality and it is sturdy, along with a very good quality of tissue paper or a napkin. And along with that, they are provided as a mouth freshener. And it is of a sizable quantity. Now let us check out the salad that is provided. This had come along with the biryani, and the quantity that they have provided is sufficient. Now let's serve ourselves a few spoons of the salad along with our biryani. And let's savor the taste of the biryani and salad mixed together. By now, the smell of the biryani as well as the look of the salad Both are really tempting. Once we opened the box, the warm taste of biryani was there, as well as the smell of biryani too was amazing. So let's see when we eat it. As we see, the vegetables are cooked perfectly, and the rice too, they have used basmati rice. So the smell, the taste, it's amazing. The choice of masalas, it's very tasty, as well as it's overall really good. So I recommend trying the vegetarian biryani. Now let's check out the gulab jamun that is provided along with the biryani. Gulab jamun is a bit hard, so I was expecting a softer gulab jamun. So yeah, but it's good. Let's taste how's it. It's very tasty. It's a little hard too. After having tasted a gulab jamun, now it's time to check out the mouth freshener that they have provided us. These are small granules, and this mouth freshener tastes like pan once we place it in our mouth. So now let's taste and see how the mouth freshener is from Behrouz. It's pretty good. It tastes like pan, but overall it's really good. It's a good mouth freshener, and there's a little mint taste to it too. Now let's discuss the pros and cons of Behrouz Biryani. Firstly, the packaging was really good, and secondly, the quality of basmati rice was also excellent. Third, I would say the smell as well as the taste of the biryani also was very good. Now let's discuss the cons. Now I would say the cons would be the cost of the biryani is pretty costly in comparison with others. So please do consider on the cost. Secondly, I would say that the quantity and the portions compared to others also is little less. So I would like to have a lot of biryani because I'm a biryani lover. So please consider on these two factors for the cons. But overall, it was a very good experience and it was tasting very good too. We hope that you liked watching our videos, and we request you to share it with your friends if you found this video really useful and informative. Please do not forget to like, share and comment on our videos. This will help us to improve our channel and the quality of restaurant review videos that we would create in future. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and until the next video, take care, stay safe and see you soon. Bye-bye.